Hey, what's up guys, Banggood channel here and welcome back to another video. And device we are looking at today's retail price just for $270 US. You will be really surprised at how much offers for this price point the Huawei Honor 8X. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Nice and budget blue colored box. At the front we can see the 8X logo with the AI. Let's open and see what surprise waiting for us in this box. Of course, the smartphone itself on the top. We will put that to the side just for a second while we see what else we get inside the box. And inside the box we got a SIM card eject tool, we got a protector case. This is really cool, you don't have to spend any more money on the case. And also we got the charger and micro USB cable, but not the Type-C. Now let's look at the device. We actually have 4 colors: black, blue, purple, red, which is available in Banggood store. But for the review, we got the black one. Now, this device feels really premium in the hand, and that's because the Honor 8X is made from 2.5D textured Aurora glass over a metal frame. This glass back is a first for Honor X range, and it's comprised of 15 layers of glass which catch the light and refracts it, sending shimmering patterns across the back of the phone. It's a similar effect to that the Honor 10, and it's extremely stunning whether in black, red or blue colors. The quarter side of the glass looks a little more matte, giving a unique two-tone look. The eye-catching glass black spots a fingerprint sensor in the middle of the frame. With 2 camera lenses on the top left, the glass folds carefully into the metal frame, and you will find the power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Taking a look around the bottom, we do have 3.5mm headphone jack. Now this is something that we are not seeing much of these days. Honor have managed to slim down the bottom chin by bending the display into the frame at the bottom of the phone. You can expand that storage up to another 400GB with a micro SD card, and this SIM card tray has space for 2 SIM cards as well as a micro SD card. The Honor 8X is powered by the Kirin 710 octa-core processor with 4GB of RAM, the same chip that's in Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and 64GB of storage, which is really good as it is. Turning the Honor 8X around, you will notice one of the key features of this device, and that this is a huge 6.5-inch Full HD LCD display with a maximum resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels. A similar process that took out the bottom bezel on the iPhone 8. Honor is calling this design the Full View Display 2.0. One thing which is really cool on this display, having excellent blue light filtering. The blue light is suspected to keep you awake at night, and while some of them claim that it causes blindness are unfounded, but it's still something that many people are interested in cutting down on. We also got just a bit of border around the device with a small notch, and if you are not fan of it, you can hide it using the software. Within this notch here at the top, you got the earpiece as well as 16-megapixel front-facing camera with f2.0 aperture for your selfies. This camera also supports a portrait mode, which is going to blur the background, and around the back you actually have a dual rear-facing camera setup. The primary camera is 20 megapixel with a pretty wide f1.8 aperture, and the secondary camera is 2 megapixel, and that's going to help with the depth information for your portrait mode shots. The camera built with AI system, and this is going to help recognize 22 categories and 500 scenarios in real time to enhance your images. We also got a super fast fingerprint scanner here in the back. Just check this out, super fast, and talking about the placement in the back, which makes the smartphone very easy to use. And if you don't want to use fingerprint scanner, you do have facial recognition, so you can use face unlock here too. Just point it at your face, and that's going to help you unlock. And if you are a gamer and hard user, the smartphone got the GPU Turbo Optimizer, the mobile gaming experience. And the battery 3750 mAh, which is fine to keep you all day long. The smartphone runs on Android Oreo with the latest package EMUI 8.2. And all of this, guys, just for 270 US dollars. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. The smartphone lands on our